If you want to create a new Snapchat account on your iPhone or Android, it's super simple. Let me show you how. First, download the Snapchat app from the App Store or Play Store and then open up your Snapchat. Select Sign Up from the bottom left corner. When prompted, you can allow notifications if you want to update from Snapchat. Start by entering your first and last name, then hit Continue. Add your date of birth and press Continue again. Snapchat will suggest a username for you. If you like it, keep it. If not, selecting Change My Username. Then hit Continue. Now set a password you will easily remember and move forward by selecting Continue again. Now enter your email address. You can either add your phone number or skip it from here. Now Snapchat may ask to access your contacts. You can either allow it or select Don't Allow. Next, Snapchat offers a feature to create your BitMoji avatar. If you wanna make one, allow access to your camera and take a quick picture. If not, choose Not Now to skip this step. Now choose your gender, then customize your avatar as much as you like. Once you are happy, save it. Finally, give Snapchat access your camera, microphone, location when prompted, and you are all set. And the process is exactly same for your Android devices. I hope this guide helpful. Thanks for watching.